Hello and welcome back. In the previous tutorial, we completed adding a JMS integration for outgoing invoices, and we have more or less a ready composite service with SOA Suite. Last thing to do is to add a business activity monitoring for real-time visibility. In the next tutorial, I will show how to use the web GUI for BAM to create, to define what data to take in and what how to create reports. But when I recorded that tutorial, I forgot to show how to start to actually the BAM, because it needs to be started separately. So open a command prompt, go to the install location where you have installed SOA Suite. You may remember from this very beginning of this tutorial when we started this SOA Suite that it only starts this admin server, which contains support for this composite services, but this BAM is running a separate managed service, so we need to start that one separately. And that's actually a pretty good thing, because this BAM is a very resource hungry application, so it takes quite a lot of memory. So you need to be in this main domain directory and bin under there, and the command is almost the same. It's rather than start WebLogic, it's start managed WebLogic, and then you need to give name for this managed server, and for BAM it's by default BAM_server1. And I have not done this installation so that this username and password are not in there before. So when this thing starts, when the BAM starts, it asks me by default username and password, and I need to manually type in the username and password. And I mean, you can do the steps, you can create a kind of a file where you put this username and password, and then it automatically starts. And this is kind of this actually, if you followed the installation instruction I showed in the first tutorial set, I think in the first tutorial there was a kind of a links to a couple of websites where these installation instructions are, and they show how to do this for the WebLogic server. And you can do the same type of a trick for this BAM part, and then this BAM will automatically start without using the username, without asking for the username and password. So now we need to wait a little bit until it asks for the username and password. And also you have seen when we have kind of been testing this composite service that always in the enterprise server there's been one quarter red in this main page in enterprise server, and this is because this BAM managed server has not been up and about. And next time when this BAM has been started, then you will see that there's this circle is all green. So now it's asking me, so I just WebLogic and welcome one. Now this installation goes forward, and finally this script says that it's started in running mode, and when this happens, then this BAM is all up and about, and you can start to use it. So that's all for this mini tutorial. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.